Hey Linda, Jared again. So you got some noise from Highway 49 there. This is Lower Sawmill. I do like the view from here better than the last one. And again, all these are online, so we can use the website to verify, but I think the video helps just kind of see it through eyes, so to speak. This one is around the same square footage, around 1,500. The larger ones at 18 are around 350, 360. I like this kitchen. Large laundry, upgraded cabinets. This is where the water heater is. Again, these I think are fantastic options. Two-car garage. So on these homes, or on this floor plan, the master is actually on the opposite side of the house, which I personally like that in a floor plan. Wide plank laminate flooring, large upgraded baseboards, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. I got the door open, so you get some road noise, but when you close it, it goes away. 1 guest bedroom. Here's the other guest bedroom, linen closet. Again, it's a lovely option. And this is, we'll go take a peek at what model it is. I just remembered the stats. This is the one off of Sawmill, Lower Sawmill is what they call it. I will send this over to you too. This is a Skyline. All right, we'll talk soon. Bye.